Well, here we are, the very last episode of MKS Season 5, the last episode in the year 2025, and I've got something special for you today. You see, I'm not the kind of guy who's going to sit around here on this episode bragging about everything we've accomplished here in the shop and rehashing everything and all that stuff. Rather, I've got something for you, so stick around. I'm Mike. You are watching My Car Shop. We have accomplished a tremendous amount this year here in the shop. And if you want to know what all of that is, it's all here on YouTube. There's an episode. We do 3 episodes a week, and to go back and recap everything would be just a bit ridiculous. And why rehash what's already here? Let's face it, I'm a builder. I accomplish one thing, I do it well, maybe, and I move on. And I'm on to the next thing, and I'm on to the next thing. And quite frankly, once something is done, I spend very little time thinking about what was accomplished. Sometimes it's easy for me to lose sight of what's been accomplished, and you guys remind me of the way things used to be a while ago, because I'm like the frog in the pot. I bet you're like that too sometimes. Moving on doesn't mean forgetting, but progress is fuel. I know I feel very energized by what's been accomplished here. I suspect that you feel energized by what you've accomplished in your shop as well. That's what builders do. We go from one thing to the next, and we build energy. And we spend time here on the channel being an encouragement and all that kind of stuff. I mean, let's face it, you're here because there's something in this for you, just like I'm here because there's something in this for me. But I really have been moving the channel away from being a look at what I'm doing to look at what you can do, or even more so to be an encouragement or a motivation to you. And yes, maybe there's some education, and even it may be there's entertainment. For me, it's motivation to do the channel, because filming the projects and putting out episodes keep me motivated to keep moving on the projects, because there's always another deadline coming. That's why I do 3 episodes a week. That's a personal thing, but it really keeps me moving forward on getting stuff done here in the shop. Let's face it, every bolt that you turned, every part that you made instead of bought, or even the parts that you bought that you got installed, or the parts that you bought that got you motivated to get your project ready for the next thing, all of that matters, because it's all forward motion. You have really come to the point where you're starting to understand that the little bites matter, and that we eat an elephant one little bite at a time. And every little bite is forward motion. And that's what matters in your shop, because that's what matters here too. This year, we both made progress, and maybe it wasn't perfect, but it did get done, and it did move you forward. Yes, take time to honor the memory of those milestones like we did just recently with the Stitches Challenger, but always setting our eyes on the next thing to move forward to really accomplishing our big picture goals. And that here is really what's important. Celebrate your little steps. Celebrate those little victories. Take those moments to savor, but let that be momentum to keep you moving your project forward, because as you move forward on your build, eventually your build will be moving forward with you inside, and that is what it's all about. So my encouragement to you at the end of 25, moving into 26, is take that next bite, take that next step, keep moving forward. Don't lose motivation, whether you're doing a little bite on the project, or a little bite on the shop, or a little bite on shop organization, or maybe having a talk with yourself to remotivate, or maybe even sitting down to watch a YouTube channel like mine that gets your mind energized and gets you motivated to get back out there and get after it. The whole point is, don't lose sight of it when you're building stuff. Perfection is your enemy. It's all about making it safe, making it done, and having fun. Whether it's fun building or fun driving, it doesn't matter. That's the momentum we're carrying into 2026. And season 6 for MKS is going to absolutely rock.